get inspired by all sorts of creatures, specifically sea creatures that don't have any bones, and kind of give the illusion that they're spineless.
We base a lot of our approach on moving in an organic manner, and the octopus was very adaptable.
So we're coming to Birmingham International Dance Fest. We're really excited. We're going to present Ghost, and it's actually our European premiere. So we're really excited to take it overseas.
Ghost, the research behind Ghost is based in breathing techniques. Your heartbeat and your breathing.